Exfoliating Gel Cleanser. This is one of Eminence's newer cleansers, and it's part of the Gemstones collection, which came out last year. And it's wonderful for a more normal to oily skin type. You'd use this every day if you want to. You can use it twice a day if you feel your skin needs it. For a more normal to dry skin like mine, I would tend to use it maybe once a week as my exfoliating treatment. So rather than any sort of other scrubs or peels, you can just use this as a quick revitalising exfoliating treatment. And frankly, I just want to be able to use it. So once a week would probably be enough for a skin type like mine. But one that is a little bit more oily, one that maybe has more open pores, this will really sort that out. So really from the first application, you'll notice a difference in the finish of your skin. It looks more matte. The pore size is reduced even from the first application. It's wonderful. So when you use it, the pump is really handy and it only dispenses a very small amount, so you can actually get away with just using that much. It's amazing. And obviously you add it to water and then massage it between your palms and apply to your skin. Now, it doesn't take very long to do its job, so you don't need to massage it for very long. And if you've got a more dry to normal skin type, and like me, you're using it as a weekly exfoliator, don't massage it around too much because you don't need to. I used this just this morning and it was just so lovely, and the minute I started splashing it off my skin, I could feel the effects. My skin felt so smooth, and this has a wonderful peppermint fragrance which instantly makes your skin feel lovely and fresh, but it also has a lovely cooling effect. So when you have a more oily skin, that sort of fragrance and that sort of sensation is really welcome. So yeah, use this as often as you like, as a cleanser or as an exfoliator, but either way it's just wonderful to get in your life.